Okay, hello YouTube. This is actually my second attempt at doing my clip-on extensions. The first one that I did, I got them on with the glue and they looked really good. Within minutes of me actually gluing them onto the clips, the hair fell off the clips. So I went online to try to figure out the best way I could get the glue to stay or stick to the clip. And I came across this website where this lady was putting ribbon on her clips, and it was actually just to make barrettes, but I figured if it stuck, I could do it for my hair extensions. So if you want to try to do it this route, like I am, you can. Of course, if you want to try to find another way, you don't have to do exactly what it is that I just did. Walking off really quick to get a pair of scissors because I just realized that I didn't bring any with me over here. And excuse my cat. She's meowing because she wants to get in. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, and this ribbon I actually got from Walmart, I believe. I think it was about $1, if that. It's black ribbon. It's really thin. I'm going to attempt to actually wrap that around these clips, and then from there, I'm going to glue the extension onto the clip. If I remember correctly, they started off by placing the ribbon and the glue kind of like this, and it's just going to be some wrapping that we do, hoping at this time that the glue stick is hot enough and melted enough so I can at least glue this first piece on, and it is. Also, to be careful when you're working with the glue stick because the glue gets really hot and it does burn. So I'm going to let that first piece set right there. Okay, and I hope I'm staying within the camera. But from there, all she did was just go around the clip several times, like so. And you want to try to get the whole clip in there. I think my nails might be too long for this, so it'll probably take me a little bit longer. Those who don't have on nails, it'll probably be simpler for you. Just do that there. Anyway, here's the technique. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of it off camera, and then I'll continue or proceed at the point in which I'm actually gluing the hair extension to the clip itself. Okay, so I'm back, and if you can see, I actually wrapped the black ribbon around this silver clip. I chose black because my hair is pretty dark, and then that way you're less likely to see the clip itself. And I went ahead and attached the first piece of hair here. And you want to make sure that the clip part is down, that you don't attach any hair under here. Now, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't use this particular technique again because I'm a very impatient person, and for me it took forever to get this ribbon to wrap around the silver clip, mostly because it acts like it just doesn't want to bond to the silver itself. So the clip I did in itself, that to me is a good idea. However, using this particular clip, I won't do any more. And I'm just going to glue this to it, and I'm actually going to try to go just slightly past the actual clip itself when I glue the track on there. And again, it's just because I'm trying to hide the clip. See, so now at this point, you can't even see the clip. It looks like I'm just holding pieces of extension in my hand, but in fact, it's a clip. So again, black ribbon, because it's closer to the color of the hair and my hair itself. I used these clips from the jewelry shop. They were $2.99 for 25 pieces. These are 50 millimeter. I got them from Hobby Lobby. This is what they look like here. So if I do this clip thing again, number one, I'm going to go for bigger clips. Number two, I would probably look for a clip that lets my glue adhere to it a little bit better, if that makes any sense, because once you put the glue on here from your typical glue gun, it comes right off. That's what I ran into the very first time that I did it. I've heard that some glue that you can get at places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, it's called E600 or E6000, and I think it's around like the wood products, that's a really good adhesive. I might try that next time. I've been kind of scared though, because I've been scared to put that kind of glue in the hair just in case it doesn't work out. But I guess if you're trying a small piece, it shouldn't matter. But anyway, here's my version of the clip-in. This is only showing the one of it. I'm not sure if I actually want to do the other one right now because I'm kind of lazy right now. And again, if you can look at it, I didn't do a really pretty job at putting the ribbon on it. The ribbon that I put on it, again, was just a way to try to make the hair stick to the clip itself, because it won't stick with just glue. And even when you're putting the ribbon on, every now and then as you're wrapping it around, you want to put glue on the ribbon itself, bring it around, do ribbon to ribbon, and then continue to wind it up as you go. Then that way you just make sure that the material itself stays on. But so far it looks like it's sticking pretty good. Last time I wouldn't have been able to pull it. So that's your finished product if you guys decide that you want to go ahead and try it. And at the end of the video, I'll post a picture of me putting in the clip and what it looks like in my U-wig. Okay, so at this point I've actually separated my leave out from my U-wig. And I'm just going to show you what you can do with your clip-ins. Right now I just have the one clip-in that I did the video for you on. And you can do your hair any kind of way you want to. I'm just going to part it right here a little bit. And this is where I'm going to put in my clip-in. Just going to slide it in there. Once you get it where you want it to go, press down. You'll know that it's in when you hear that clip noise, that clink. That's what I just did. So anyway, now it's in. So I've made this side just a little bit fuller. And the more clip-ins you have, the fuller you can make your hair. My recommendation to you is measure out how much leave out you have so you can determine how big your clips are going to be as well. So you can get smaller clips like what I just got, and you can also get larger ones for sections of your hair that are bigger. If I would have had in more, I could have did my part right here, comb that over, and then had some clips going down this side to make the hairstyle bigger and fuller. Comb that back here. Again, this is the Milky Way Que hair. It was $17.99 a pack, I believe, 14-inch. This is a 1B and a 1B33, I think. And I got it at my local hair beauty supply store for that $17.99. And I think it's that cost everywhere that you go, because I saw some other girls using it on YouTube. Fabulicity is me. She had it, and I think hers was the same exact price. This is human hair. There's my clip. Ooh. This is human hair. I've had the hair in now for about 2 weeks. I like the hair, but at the same time, it kind of irritates me because it gets tangled really quick. Other than that, it's pretty hair, and the tangling might actually even be my fault because I'm not really good at tying up my hair when I go to sleep like I'm supposed to. So when I wake up, it's all tangled up and bad looking. But that's it, and as you see, I combed right through it. The small tooth comb. So it's not bad hair to have. Also too, I put in oil-free wig shine, and it also changes the appearance of the hair. Like this is what it looks like right now. Do a couple of sprays of that. Get my wig brush out here. And I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can. It's really shiny now. But I really love that All Free Shine product. I got this at my local beauty hair supply store as well, and I think this was either $3.99 or $4.99. So whether you have synthetic hair or human, which it actually says it on the bottle, it's really good for it, and it smells really good. It reminds me of All Sheen though, so I don't know if All Sheen will do the same exact thing. Anyway, that's it as far as my clip-ins and my U-Wig go. For those, prior to this video, I was supposed to do a review on the first U-Wig that